Well, another crisp, absolutely gorgeous morning here in Florida, with a forecast of winds below 5 miles an hour all day, and temperatures supposed to go up to 72 degrees this afternoon. So I said to myself, on a 72 degree afternoon with no clouds and no winds, what might I want to do? I think the answer is pretty obvious. Thanks, guys, for the replies to my video yesterday talking about my new Sunday live stream. Especially Rick Halber, who took the time to write a lengthy comment, and I think he made a great point. And the great point is there's really no shortage of really smart guys out there who know FPV that are giving tremendous advice, but very few for beginners or older guys that aren't interested in diving through abandoned warehouses and things, but just learning to fly FPV, enjoy it in a relaxing manner, not a competitive or sport manner. And a lot of technical videos that are way over the heads of somebody that is just beginning. So an idea is coming to my mind, and that is a technical series, maybe called Beginner FPV, where I can start to share some of the experiences I've learned over the last year as a beginner. So I think this might be a great theme for the show, and based on all the guys like me who fly camera drones and who have shown interest in FPV flying, hopefully I'll be able to provide some help and say some things that are worthwhile and interesting and different from time to time, so it's just not more of the same old thing. I want to thank Mel last night on his show, 400 AGL, for giving me a shout out about my new show, and it is going to be on Sunday evenings, 8 o'clock Eastern time, right after Mel. And I haven't come up with an exact name for it yet, but I think it's going to be something like Beginner FPV, Old Guy FPV. I don't know. We'll come up with something catchy. And I hope you all stop by and ask some questions. We'll see if we can't start from scratch to make it easy, step by step, to get into this really tremendous part of the drone hobby without too much frustration and confusion, and follow in some of the things that I did to start to learn so much of what it takes to really build these things, fly these things, do it all successfully. And now let's go out to the flying field. Today I'm flying the 3-inch Acrobrat like I did yesterday, and I feel real good about it. I feel like I'm starting to master this. Every time I go out and fly, I seem to get a little smoother, a little more confident, and feel a little more in control of these things. So enjoy the flights. I know that I did.